Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert table of figures in Microsoft Word. If you see it helpful, like, leave a comment and subscribe. At the end of this tutorial, you can learn insert an updatable table of figures as you see here. Also by one click you can see figure 4 as you see here. Let's start. For example, I want to add caption for this figure. Just select the figure and right click. Insert caption. Here I can write, you see directly figure 1 comes. Downstream, slope, stability. Okay, directly figure 1 shows. Okay. You can insert caption for each the figure in the way I just inserted the caption. Now I come to determine a location to insert table of figure. For example, I want to insert table of figure here. Then from references, insert table of figures. Here you can select it, this type, show page number, right align page number, use hyperlink instead of pages, please. Tick this one. Okay, and I select this one. Here, caption type label figure. Okay, directly table figure is added. Now, just insert table of figures. If you want to see figure 3 or figure 5, just tap Control and right click. Directly it goes to figure 5. That's all. Have a nice day.